Ever wondered how a market-making and investment DAO operates? Let's delve into Reform DAO, an innovative first of its kind. It's a unique platform that aligns incentives across all stakeholders within the market-making process. Recently, they announced the launch of the first wave of the Reform testnet, an essential stride towards enhancing their dashboard, ensuring a seamless and efficient user experience. Congratulations to all the reformers who made it to the whitelist. Your next journey begins today. So how can one become a part of this innovative platform, I hear you ask? Well, joining the Reform DAO is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Your first step is to whitelist yourself on their website. This is like getting your name on the guest list for the most exclusive party in town. Next, you'll want to get Geth in their Discord. Consider this your ticket to the party. It's the currency you'll need to participate in the Reform DAO ecosystem. The final step is to join their testnet dashboard. This is your personal hub within the Reform DAO, where you'll manage your involvement and engage in the platform's activities. As an early joiner, you'll be tasked with real scenario tasks such as bonding $RFRM, claiming staking rewards, and much more. These tasks are crucial in shaping the future of the DAO. Remember, as an early joiner, you're not just a member, you're an essential part of establishing this DAO. So there you have it, a quick guide to joining the Reform DAO. We've delved into the essence of Reform DAO, a pioneering market-making and investment collective that seeks to balance benefits for all participants. To join, remember to whitelist yourself, grab some Geth in our Discord, and hop onto our testnet dashboard. As early adopters, you'll be at the forefront of market-making evolution. Don't just watch the future unfold, be a part of it. Join the Reform DAO today.